Hello, my name is Joseph Clark. I'm with ContinuousTouch. Today I'm going to show you how to set up Find Me, Follow Me in User Com Portal. Step one is to go to myportal.continuoustouch.com. In the login screen, you'll put in your telephone number. And your password. From here, I'm going to select incoming calls will ring your phones in order. I'm going to add a new phone. I'm going to add my desk telephone, which is going to name it account phone. Okay, and then I'm going to add another phone here. This is going to be my cell phone. Going to name it cell phone. Click on add and OK. I'm going to make this rule number 1. By just clicking on 1, it will create it as rule 1. I want my desk phone to ring for 18 seconds, which is about 3 rings. My cell phone, I'm going to make that rule number 2. Click on that. I'm going to turn this to 60 seconds because I want it to go to my cell phone voicemail. And make sure you allow forwarding on step number 1. So that way, when the call comes in, it's going to ring my desk phone for 18 seconds and then allow remote call forwarding to go to my cell phone. Click on apply. And that is how you set up Find Me, Follow Me on your Com Portal application. Thank you.